Okay, y'all, as promised, here is part 2 of the Costa Rica takeover. Let's go.
Hey, y'all, it's us. We all in orange. We taking over. We got all the orange on. Hey! We all in orange. Hey, girl. Oh! I'm up. I had to take a minute. Perfect timing. So this our own little private cabana. This our own little spot. We all out here. This the bitch that put it together. Book with her. If you're trying to travel anywhere, y'all better go traveling this sister. Y'all better get.
Y'all had so much fun at this Orange Cabana party, y'all. We was lit, turned up. Folks on camera, off camera, we getting to it. Y'all, we had a ball. But, of course, this won't last all day. On to the next. Next up, steak dinner. Super fast paced right now. We're going to the steakhouse. And we just got a text in the group that if you are not there already, your spot is forfeited. So we made it at the steakhouse. This is like a complimentary. I don't know if it can be complimentary because it's all inclusive. So I don't think you can get complimentary. I don't know. So we're finna order. So here was a good corn soup and a couple of desserts. We're gonna eat later. We didn't do too much up in there. Stay tuned. Y'all, they have so many shows and everything here. This is like a vibe. I want to stay at Planet Hollywood wherever I stay from here on out. Come on in. Come in. You're not. They can't see you. Cheers to Costa Rica. Yeah, we finna get it cracking. Right. Oh my God, this is so pretty. So nice. Caution, please do not touch your thing.
Oh, baby, you don't gotta worry about me. I'm hot enough.
Caliente.
Whole time, bitch.
Okay, y'all, so we went to this little sushi restaurant. And when I tell you, we tore it up. Everything was so good. But as you see, that's why I say we really didn't eat too much at that at the steak dinner. But when I tell y'all we went in at this spot, everything 10 out of 10. Elevator Chronicles. Day 3 is done. Everybody's in their respective rooms, just trying to chill because we have ATV in the morning. I'm gonna change and go down and visit. And yeah, y'all stay tuned for day 4. Bye, y'all. Again, it's me. This is day, I want to say 4 because I've been doing the countdown, but I think I got mixed up somewhere. Maybe a little bit too much wine. That could be a possibility. But maybe it's just, I don't know. But we're on day 4, I believe, because we're doing ATVs today. Get ready to go. We're finna go do the ATVs. Y'all, let's get to it. Be right back. Okay, we here. They got to flip them over, son. Hey, girl, hey. So we here, y'all. Finna get this show on the road.
ATVs whenever we I don't care how many times I've done it. I want to do it every single time, okay? Every time I go anywhere, this is one thing I will do. Yes, I will.
You give me gear.
Get it. Everybody. Hey. Everybody. You too. And there's a lot of folks.
lay down to you.
Alright, so we're still driving through the town. We still ain't made it to the track yet. 10 hours later. Oh wait a minute. I love it. I love it. Hey, pura vida. Pura vida. Pura vida. Y'all, when I tell y'all I was on them ATVs acting bad, okay? But what would a vlog be without a couple of still shots of me on top of the ATVs getting it in? Yes. Y'all, so we made it. Our first little stop. Pretty ass waterfall. Hey, y'all, hey. We finna jump, though. You gonna jump? Yeah. You gonna jump? No? You can't swim? Yeah. I'm jumping. I don't know. Probably like a snow thing. So probably ain't no telling. Oh, I'll go. I'm going. Hold on. Let me put my phone up. Okay, so y'all, next stop is the catamaran. We rushed hella quick. I wasn't even gonna get on here, but 2 people backed out, I guess. So I slid my ass in. Are we on YouTube? We will be. Yeah, we will be. We will be. This is for the tube. Yeah. So we all waiting for the boat to come on up. And yeah, y'all stay tuned. We finna get fucked up. Y'all know how catamarans is. Just stay tuned. Amigo, come here. Let me see your hair. Y'all look at his hair. Look how beautiful that is. Shake it for me. Shake that. Ooh, we're making a video. Y'all, it's so cute. So we just waiting. The boat took another round of folks to the other boat. We gotta take a boat to the other boat. So yeah, we's waiting. And a boat to another boat. I've heard that too. Now I've never done that one. Okay, so it's the rain. And I'm not going. I'm not. Come on. Ciao. No, yeah. So it's just too much rain right now. Yeah. Can't do that one. They're like, these bitches. That's why they stay back.
You putting this like on YouTube? No, it's raining.
It's just too much. That's what he said. It's just raining for the minute, but still, I'm fine. Okay, y'all. So we came back. We the comeback crew. It's a little blurry because I'm inside of this thing, but it's just doing too much.
It's raining hard too. We already soaked.
Already, we got wet. Yeah, we're seeking shelter because
he fucked me up with his face, y'all. This man came over there in this boat.
Yeah.
And he was like, nah. They was trying to sink us down.
Yeah, they was. The black Titanic in Costa Rica.
Exactly. And niggas are stingy. They just like Rose. She know she could have said that goddamn thing.
Who was finna do that catamaran in all of that water? We not doing that. Nope, so I'm gonna go change, then we're gonna go back down to the bar and have a ball. Okay, quick little change, and we going back down to one of the burger joints, guys. Burger joints that they had. They've been cooking up everything, and this is here on the property as well. You see everybody over there playing the game. Yeah. They be running from the shots. They be scared. They running from the shots, y'all. They running from the shots. They scared. Hey, Toda vida. How nice it is. I'm going back home. Okay, y'all, we so lit. We still at the bar in the pool, the swim up bar. Hey, girl. Again, this is. I didn't introduce you. So many times. This is Ebony. No, I didn't take a picture. Period. Hey, 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 hey. Hi, kitty, kitty. Aww.
That's a wild.
So cute. It's a Costa Rica cat.
So that's a wild cat. That mean he ain't got no shots. He ain't got no COVID vaccine or nothing. You know what I'm saying? He ain't vaccinated or nothing, man. He ain't even got C-19 shots.
Hey y'all, good morning. So today is the last day of my Costa Rica trip. I passed out last night. I missed dinner. I missed the turn up. I'm gonna drop a picture in here and show y'all how the turn up went, okay? Check this video out. Okay, yeah, missed the turn up, y'all. I woke up at like, I woke up. I set my alarm too, and it didn't go off. I woke up at like 10, like 9:30 is 10. And I remember in the group, the girl was like, dinner was good, but we finna go to, you know, to the karaoke bar. I'm like, okay, cool. I could just get in the shower real quick, rinse off, because I literally came in here and passed out on the bed. I set my alarm like, I'm gonna get me a couple of seconds of sleep, quick little nap, 30 minutes, and be good to go, because dinner at that time wasn't for an hour. Didn't even happen, y'all. Woke up, it was like 10. I was like, damn, I missed everything. I hopped in the shower, still felt the liquor a little bit. Sat down, next thing you know, I woke up in my bathroom, a towel, dried off at like 2, 3 in the morning. I couldn't do it, y'all. Honey, Costa Rica took me out, okay? We had a ball. I would definitely recommend coming here. The excursions that we did, I'll try to drop them in the group. I mean, not in the group, but in the description. I ate so much. I'm so fat right now. I got room service because we got to leave. Everything was excellent. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Oh, look at my French toast. Yum. Look at this, y'all. Their beans and rice. They're famous for these here. They're beans and rice. Now, Jamaica is peas and rice. This is beans and rice. Yum. All right, y'all. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope y'all liked it. Any questions, comments, concerns? Let me know. Bye.